Ma, we can talk after this recording, Mother. Hi, everyone. Alex here at the VIP. And Ma, Mama, Ma, Mom, I love you. Hi, everybody. Alex here at the VIP. And today I'll be talking about reconciliation. First up, what is reconciliation? What? Hi, everybody. Alex here at the VIP. And today I'll be talking about reconciliation. First up, why is reconciliation so important? Reconciliation. Rec- sorry, reconciliation is important because it helps you stay on top of your finances, whether you're in business or personal, or you use them for both. It also ensures that you don't miss any hidden transactions that you have on your bank statement. So when you get your bank statement, you see a transaction that you didn't know you did, and like, how did I get that? It, so it's good to continuously do reconciliation every day to just monitor your bank statements and bank accounts just to make sure that you can actually and have the receipts, keep the receipts when you do have transactions. So when you do your reconciliation, you can look at the receipts like, oh, okay, I brought this on this date and it matches the same as the one I have on my bank account. There are many different softwares to do reconciliation on, like Quickens. That's the one that my channel uses. I ain't got no time for that. Make sure to like and subscribe to that. Shameless plug. Um, but yes, and you can also do reconciliation by just having your receipts and looking for your bank account. You could also download like an accounting software like Quickens, as I mentioned earlier. You can also match it up there. That you can see if you have the transactions you have in Quickens, and you can see if those match with the ones in your bank account. It's also good to if you have screenshots. Like today, I helped my mom organize our Cash App transactions that we had. So we had a file for the Cash App. I created a file for the Cash App PDFs, and the ones that I reconciled, I put them into the PDF so we could know where they are. And I highlighted the ones that needed to be figured out, and the ones that just didn't show up on the Cash App statement. So it's good to make sure you color code things, like just have yellow for still pending transaction or red for not found. You need to manually look up if it's not already on the bank statement. And another thing for reconciliation is it's good to take time. Make sure like you carve out time just to center all your attention to it, because you can't do reconciliation half-heartedly. You have to make sure that all your time is centered and focused on reconciliation. So you just have to carve out a slot time of your day, maybe in the morning, maybe in the afternoon before you go to bed. Maybe in the afternoon before you go to bed, carve out some time to do some reconciliation, but just make sure you're awake enough to complete the task, and make sure you focus your whole mind on the task to make sure you have the correct matching list of transactions, either if you're using your receipts, your online banking account, or a software for reconciliation. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to I Ain't Got No Time for That. Make sure to also go check out my brother channel, The King's Adventures. Thank you for watching. Bye.